Welcome to Tortilla Takeover. I'm Kevin, and tonight I'm doing what I'm calling right now. It may not be the title. I'm calling these the green chili chicken quesadilla 4x4, smothered in green chili and topped with a couple of fried eggs. All right, let me show you how I put this together, and we'll come back and do a taste test. All right, as of right now, I'm going to call this the green chili chicken quesadilla 4x4 because I'm going to stack these babies. I got 4 flour tortillas. I've got some shredded rotisserie chicken, some Chihuahua cheese, and some cheddar green chili sauce. This is from Wecks, which is a local New Mexico restaurant. And first thing I'm going to do is get some butter on these. Got some soft butter. Right, I got my pan heating up over here, and I've got my green chili, cheddar green chili sauce right here. I'll tell you what, cheddar or not, this stuff is good. I didn't have time to make it. It's a late night, late work night. Get home late, throw something together. All right, so what I'm going to do is start off with my flour tortilla on a hot pan. Get some Chihuahua cheese down. It's okay if it goes out in your pan because fried cheese is delicious. Try not to go too overboard. All right, I'm going to put some chicken on there. And since I didn't dice up any green chilies and I have a lot of this sauce, it's just now warming up, I'm going to put some green chili from this sauce inside the quesadilla, and it will also go on the outside. Put a lid on it for right now and let that cook up a minute. All right, let's see if the cheese is starting to barely stick. It's okay. Flip it over anyway, it'll melt. Oh yeah. I'm going to let this other side brown up. Now as the pan warms up, it's going to cook a lot faster. Looks like the cheese is already melting in there, which is great. Okay. Check the bottom. Looks like it's browning up nice, so I'm going to set that right there. Pan is getting hot. So I'm going to put a tortilla right there. Get some cheese in there. Some chicken. This is going to be quite the meal. Okay. I'm going to test that hot pan. Almost did. I'm going to put a little bit of green chili sauce in there. Green chilies. Let's see how fast that's going. Oh yeah, that's going like really fast, which is cool. So now I'm going to set this one on top of that one. See there? 4x4. 1, 2, 3. Let that cook up a second. Shouldn't take long because this pan's getting hot. Okay, the bottom is nice and brown. I don't know if I can tilt it for you or not. Nice and brown. Okay, put the number 4 tortilla, butter side down. Again, cheese. Chicken. Green chili. And top it with these quesadillas. There it is, 4x4. It's actually 3 layers but 4 tortillas. I'm calling it a 4x4 because I'm making it. Okay. and that bottom is nice and toasty brown already. So I'm going to take this off of here. I'm going to cut the fire. I'm going to set this on my plate over here for a second. Quick little wipe. Put a little bit of butter in there. I'm going to fry up a couple of eggs. The fire is off. A bit of salt, pepper, black pepper. Almost got her. Good enough. Alright, I'm going to let those sit in this hot pan for a minute, and then we will finish off this 4x4 chicken, green chili chicken quesadilla. Okay, here's our 4x4 chicken quesadilla. I'm going to put some green chili sauce right on top. Nice and hot. We are serving this wet. Okay. Add a little bit more cheese right on top of here. Okay. Now you don't have to add eggs, but here in New Mexico we like to have eggs on just about everything. Okay, so there's my probably over easy, over medium. That one's about over easy. There you go. What do you think of that? 4x4. Let's see. A green chili chicken quesadilla 4x4 served wet with green chili sauce and a couple eggs. All right. So how easy was that? I mean, I got home late from work. I had some leftover rotisserie chicken. I had flour tortillas, and I had a jar of cheater green chili sauce. I didn't make it myself because I forgot to take green chilies out. Anyway, there it is again. That's the what I'm calling the green chili chicken quesadilla 4x4 smothered with green chili sauce, a couple fried eggs. Let's cut into this. You know, I mean, literally, this took 15 minutes. Very quick. And I'll tell you what, this is going to be a meal. I don't think I'll be able to finish it, but I'm going to give it a try. All right, here we go. Whew. All right, there's the first bite. I'll tell you what, that green chili sauce from Wecks is really good. I call it cheater because I didn't make it. Here's another bigger bite. Try to get all four layers there. All right. Green chili chicken quesadilla 4x4. You don't have to serve it wet. You don't even have to use green chilies if you don't want. Get creative. I hope this gives you a good idea of what to make. Super quick, super delicious, very easy to make. So I hope you like it. Hope you give it a try. Something a little bit different and super quick to make. All right, thanks for checking out Tortilla Takeover. I hope you have a great day.